Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll be doing some DIY stuff. So basically, these are the dining chairs that I have. So I don't want them to be in silver because I'm changing the theme into gold. So I have ordered a gold chandelier. So I have to change all these steel into gold. So I have no idea. I looked into a couple of YouTube videos to figure out how to do it. So I've got the paint and stuff. So let me detach this part from the main cushion and take it outside and see if it works. So I've just got it in the backyard because anyway, they're gonna put um, the wooden stuff and it's just a foundation. So I'm gonna first paint the nuts and the bolts and see how the color is holding up, and then see and try and applying it for the rest of the metal. So currently I'll be using this. It's it's a primer plus a paint. So this is what I heard is the one they actually use for the metal. So let's see if it works. So clearly the paint has held up, which is a good thing. I'm going to let this dry and see how it works and if I need another coat. But I think I don't need another coat because of the way it has held up. So let's see, if I need another coat, I would add another coat. So I have completely finished um, painting the chair stuff and I really love it. It's really come out beautiful, and if you can see, it will complement the blue really well. So I'm gonna let this dry today, and probably once it's dry I'll start fitting it back. And also I've ordered some chair pull-ups, so pull back, sorry, and I have to fit that too. So this is the update on the paint. So keep you posted.